Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques. We're going to show you in this video this piece of Royal Albert bone china. Lavender Rose is the pattern. Half-pint milk jug, really nice Montrose shape. Beautiful pedestal foot with the gilt, really well retained as you can see. In fact, the gilt decoration on this one all over is in absolutely mint condition. Beautiful detailing around this rolling scalloped rim to quite a tall half-pint milk jug. I think it's 4.5 inches, although the diameter across here is just over 2. Really nice condition. Let's show you the first quality Royal Albert china marks. There we go. Royal Albert Lavender Rose, made in England. It's absolutely perfect. There's absolutely no condition warnings or notes on this at all. If you're a collector of Lavender Rose, or you're taking a fancy just to a piece of fine floral English bone china for your tea table, then you couldn't go wrong with this piece. Available from the Vintage and Antiques website. We do have quite a few pieces of Lavender Rose available. I think some teacup trios, side plates, some serving plates, and possibly a teapot. I know we have had one on catalogue recently. Whether it's still available or not at the time you're viewing this, do have a browse through on the website, and you can do that just by clicking on the product linked in YouTube below, and that will take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website for this particular listing. Thanks for watching.